Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix Logitech A10 only one side works. So basically what you'll need to do is take your headphones and take out your cord and check for the poles. So make sure you have 5 poles on the one cord side, and on the other side you'll have 4 poles, as you can see on this picture. So for the 5 poles, as you can see, you'll see these black stripes. So this will be F4 stripes. Plug it into the headphones and twist it. And this one, just plug it in your device. And basically how we can fix this issue if only one side works is by plugging in your cord and twisting it into the headset, because some people say that it only half worked for me too. So just try to plug it in and twist into the headset to lock it in, and you'll have full audio. And as you can see, a lot of people telling that it is working. So try it out, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.